Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Perplexity AI for blogging. So first thing is just simply go to perplexity.ai, and now from here right away you will have a new tab. So from here just simply type in over here, you are a professional blogging assistant and help me research blog topics, outline articles, draft high quality SEO friendly content, and suggest engaging titles. And your tone should adapt based on the audience, like casual for lifestyle blogs, professional for business blogs, and technical for niche industries. And when I give you a topic, provide a quick summary to 3 to 5 blog title ideas and a full outline and a 500 to 800 word draft, and also include relevant keywords, suggest internal and external linking strategies, and give me a meta description suggestion, and avoid plagiarism and ensure clarity, structure, and readability. And after that, just simply send it. And pretty much, guys, you could simply copy the prompt that I have over here. And pretty much, the better the prompt that you give, the better output it will provide. And after that, guys, just simply provide the topic that you'd like to develop into a blog post. So let's say my prompt will be top 5 tips and tricks to make my plants healthy, and just simply send it. And be more specific, guys, so it could have a better output. And pretty much over here, it will give us some template on how are we going to write our blogging, and pretty much this AI will help us become our assistants. There you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.